Guys, so this is my 4-week update on AG1 and just how I'm feeling with it and whatnot. So yeah, overall, still liking it. Very much initially from what I had said before. My reasons for buying AG1, other than I guess social media kind of preempting, be exposing me to it all the time and me being like interested and me thinking I need more for my health and whatnot. So again, I'll just recap a little bit. The reason why I bought AG1 was I was hoping it would help with my digestive system, making me more regular, and then also too is just filling in the gaps with a lot of the nutrition that I'm not getting. Now, I say that I'm not getting because I'm a little concerned with myself, or at least I fear this, that I'm not doing a good job, my body is having a hard time breaking down food effectively to give me the nutrients that I need. Now, when I say the nutrients that I need, I think it's very important that you take a good look at yourself and at your life and notice notice, but see what you're doing in your life and why you may need one, a supplement like this, or two, more nutrients. It can be said that everyone kind of simply just needs something like this because of the lack of nutrition in today's foods. But again, to just go one level deeper, and I'm saying this one because it's becoming more prevalent, but two, because of my own experience, is that my body, I don't feel that it does a good job at breaking down food. I have an eating disorder, so I fear food, and I don't end up eating a lot of food. And so you couple not fearing food because of the way it makes you feel, and not being able to eat a lot, and your digestion is not right. I am just a little nervous that I'm not even getting the nutrients that my body needs to just feel half decent. And when your body's not feeling half decent, I'll be more susceptible to be reaching out to foods that are not good for me. And a lot of the foods that are potentially could not be good for me have what I can't remember the term, but basically they take from my body rather than give to my body. So it's like a net negative. It's not a net positive. It's not like when I consume something, it gives my body vital things. It almost has to take things from my body in order to try to assimilate what I've just ingested. So with that being said, all that aside, I think that I just really wanted to touch home on that point, because for me, one, I wanted better digestion, and two, I felt like this wasn't going to be an easier way for me to get more nutrients into my body that were already assimilated that I would feel better about. Taking it in the morning has been awesome. Again, I'm introducing banana and blueberries most of the time to these shakes, as well as a little bit of matcha, just a quarter teaspoon with some glutamine. And I might, change it up throughout depending on if I get bored or how I can see AG1 fitting into my plan, or green juice of that matter. As far as I'm concerned, I am loving it right now. And I say loving it, I'm enjoying the process of getting up in the morning and having one each day. I do feel half decent. I will say this, I did eat some bad stuff, or I didn't think it's not bad stuff, I just ate something that I thought would be okay for my system, and it wreaked absolute havoc on my system for like 3 days. I had like insane diarrhea, and I'm used to constipation, so it was quite interesting. But all in all, I think it's just a good solid habit, and like someone else mentioned into a video, it could be very much placebo, and I'm quite okay with that, and I don't really feel the need to dig in deeper to see if it is, let's call it, a placebo effect. Generally speaking, I just feel better with it, and like I mentioned before, it's a way of me getting calories in as well. in the morning without feeling like I need to eat, because I don't want to eat in the morning. I just really don't. So I think shakes are really the best way for me to get liquid calories in, because like I had mentioned, I don't eat very much. So yeah, that's that. Now it is the question that keeps lurking in my mind, because I just got my second batch in, is it's $110 with shipping. That is an absurd amount of money for me. I really have a hard time justifying it in a sense, but and reason why I say this is I'm looking at other alternatives to see how they may make me feel. So what I'm probably going to do after this one is actually try Organifi green juice. I am going to go down a little bit of a rabbit hole and investigate the nutrients and or what's in both these products, and to just kind of see, you know, what things are maybe in AG1 that I really like or I really wanted that maybe not be in the green juice. I haven't really gone down that rabbit hole yet, but I guess AG1 is really nice because it is kind of an all-in-one thing. It's not like, okay, I take a green juice, but you know, AG1 has these pre and probiotics. Okay, so I need to take those now, and then, you know, okay, this I need to add this to this, and so again, that you know, cupboard, that supplement cupboard just gets bigger. So I would like to look deeper into that, and I will in my next update share with you guys what I found, and also too is I'm going to experiment, just because it's $40 cheaper for me to get Organifi green juice than AG1. It's just the reality. I work part-time and it's really hard, but I did want to try it. So I'm still going with it. I'm going on to month 2. Not looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to continuing just having this as a part of my life. Anyways, I'm just trying to see here. Yeah, I think that's touches on the majority. If you have any questions, just ask. Yeah, that might be relevant to you. But as far as I'm concerned, I would recommend it 100% of something like this, of this caliber. And yeah, anyways, ta-ta for now.